Yamwakwa Badwam TV Badwam kase so anopen samase na braso sauti biesa Adom kase yena ni teko tego ase nini kranhye ensemanopai ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni ya chiri enipa baako nso adwane ebra wo bi wo modema na dwede suo wonde sekan akotwitwa no ye de sansam no ebebra mu ye beko dompoase na yakwa akwhye mfie miensani ene wo mu asa wo mo kwan ene wo no matede if you send penny for aye kwan na ma won no nsem bi na no pay me Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/TV kase no e wo Go TV 176 aye channel Adom TV wo and DSTV 280 medi e de afia amankwa maklo afia ni de kwan sutie se den sam ni chemu ankasa etie abemua anase abranti a wanya mfie beduo no ne mfie duo no amu no wo din e de sha donko ene aposifo wo SEHWI amoanya wormo ache no e wo bodi mansini mu e watoye mantamo ne nyina ne se awafo bi ada anadwo de shom wo yebo ekro bi a wo bodi mansini mu wie wom de sika kwa akututwa awafo yi obi nim de baaye Adom TV kase etwaso
temi sola me de sola et over dem to mo baaye no mo be dum ete sola ne battery no ma dem ba su ti abasa no mo so o mo phone keepers o mo ni patu omu pusu dan ama dan it me be at the spot on na dan na bi no ana mo bobri mo kata no so no nti me da no so no me de danetim nti me de net no empa ni nchim nti tama me bobri mo na se bibisa ai ba me so no me bobri mo no pepepe na nipa mienu na mo to sfi me so skan we twa ti me prepare na omo twitwa na mo hum bi ma na ma sa ja omo phone keepers no omo de mo sa finger baako ana mo de etua light no ama ani adumti omo hum bi ma na ma sa yi mo finger no light no yede atom so
ura yi kan so aso se asem wasi no aye ne wonwa pa isan se watena krom honum emfie dunia woni obia enyi asem ne senti wonim ne nti a sani pa bonifui baba beto ahye woni na busua so
omo twitwa meti ho ene mensa ene mechi misisi achi ene mensa fingers no ama ni na ntini no ebi atete te ma yede ko jaboso aba ya sabia ana mo taren fa me ko ji e free sada na bepem ne ama dwon sa mentiase me na obi so eni asam me na obi so nkon na asam manka asam bia nchiro bia aya sambone a beka sa nipa no bede aba fa so agina so a betime de adima wusie nti ma dwon sa bepem ne mentim
maento akase no so na yenkoye nsamfofromo na dompoase adehye enene wode ensamboma road ministry national road safety commission penifo se wo sama wo kan ye se dompoase kevo kwan no wonye mfama wo mfie miensene no wo tie ayama won Adom kase etwaso
ndo ya titi dudu oya titi emeka no doso odoso masire ena overtakina sabio on fokun misre Ghana drivers manya yi woyen kunidu na masire Ghana road safety commission foso won se na enyanuma police fo no so wonye wejuma do se wonye wejuma do se a akwafi no obokofom zamanya za wakan is won wie ma ya ta se de 1 year hankotin wori ya za ko takradi ntina na mesre de baby ara da mazin bi won the whole Ghana na ko 1 year ma akonhye no nkofom
nana efu asemewu ene ye poase hema ono so de adesede to abanye nimu se ebeyi a akwantempon ahodo mu nyina no woma ni nyina enye dual carriage se ne ebeyi a obetumi ate akwanhia so ewanyimu sanso de adesede eto swafo a ohwe akwantempon ho nsem so kwasi amoakwata animu se de ohwe wonom bo so the speed ramps eba bebu wonom akwan no so wonom no wommeye se ne ebeyi a akwanhia so bete wonom krum honom ntitiru ene bra wo twihyan a wo ben bebia sa kevo no ewo no
Traben enyim de sesiara ehwe Ghana akwan na no korenyi ka na doso Ghana ne so ekwan kritia na ya namdo iri pane yanko ho iri pane ehwe amananza ekwan ebien ma woya ne kasimpo woya na ebien no mbra ma he amaso opane yanko a onka feminka ekehia akwanhia yesra honala ekwan ne de nokware nyi waaye nanso onye
onem kwendo ya titi
Manso ena kane Cardinal and Bishop ma wa diocese ne what one anono e won sie do no wodi ne ho enkomo anasasa de ne tibia ene ne bobrete e bra na wote asase eso wo kiremu ana oyobi ahohye ene odo yima e woni mu pa ene pani ato anono sie do waye nkai dum de amano e ho na kane man pani John Dramani Mahama kopie ya wode sansemi etudwa
to testify for his life. He was a good man, very good man. And I always say that what is our purpose as Christians? Our purpose as Christians, they call us Christians because we follow in the footsteps of Jesus Christ. And our work is cut out for us because if we follow in the footsteps of Jesus Christ, then we must act Christ-like. And the whole basis of Christianity is to love thy brother as thyself, and to do good to especially those who are poor and vulnerable. And we all heard the good things that our brother Cardinal Richard did. He used to feed mentally retarded people, send them food every day to feed them because they could not get food for themselves. And he was generous and good to everybody. And so we were all very happy when we heard that the Pope had elevated him as a cardinal of him. Unfortunately, God gives and God takes. And he was taken ill when he arrived in Rome. And unfortunately, he passed. But we thank God that he was recognized and elevated in his lifetime. And so we say that God grants him peaceful repose, and that we must all take a cue from the life that he left in order that we glorify him. If we follow in his footsteps, then we glorify him even in death. And to
Kwanta South MPP constituency no Adom frafo e wo timantem ye gift nyako ene wode ato man anim se wonsuso mfo won ho ento wonkunu so de mum nsa no nyuma ahodo bi wonkosua bi se be ye be na me no so obetumi aboa won ho no ho ene wabusua e futu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso
Emano, AMOAYA besua no. Yepasi yedi schedule di mu na yedi di twa na finish celebration. Yebuta ni say emano for economic empowerment na ye kana dada ye dependent. Yepasi yetimi share ni ma yetimi nyesika ewe otum. Tafuto akwa medebema AMOAYA besua na ema ye obe. Isemesramu. Yekwa mama yenda woni ema na ya besua no.
Director Edema Patriotic Ambassadors Movement Alex Apia Inti ensun semo de tu dwani
botai ni se ye mpawa ye mama no mmea awo ni sanu adwuma ye ma won training ni am skills ni e kokon materials a wode gogo wo mmea se benye ye mama no nyina na akọ school ebi wa akọ school to to musua sanu adwuma de bo wo bra kan se ni a won ko sresre
Womanfo bia womo enya mfaso efri entitie ewo nsanu adwuma ho no womo bi ni Adom News atwetwe nkomo
da ye bring for na ya Adom say ye besua sanu adwuma no aboa e pa especially ye youth a ye so ye be boy bra we bra we dress o ho a obetumi di ahwe wo besua kola school fees ni enti emeli amasua
Mami akwenya mami sua nyoma bi edika me fashion because me management can say me pamu nyoma be na eto me bia ofa mo bi engagement nyoma afa na e was ya craft fund engagement fund e was akra asaba ma not me the ye the program na ne da yesan se ma be sua bi account obi place order se me family wedding nyoma na say engagement me gidi se me am so to me aye we ni account
Adom TV Badwam kase na ogiso ehwe no na owura atakofi Emmanuel Tatabilata eye mensi crouch pani ewo kwandai mensi ni mu ose nei HIV mboa wana mane mu so ewo ne mensi ni mu anyagro ti wo de adesrede ne afutuo ena mmabunu ye wo ho so wontwe wo ho free niema bia ebetimi wo amwate yade no ne mu won mo abrabotene ne esefata se be ya yade e ba soro ne betimi abafom Adom kase ne no edi nkomoyi
Eye, Messni Cratch or Pandai, no near money bunny or the shable with Sujob and Comotry moon and what did to just say, a bra what say, HIV AC, Ariano Ecosro, a woman slim honomono, the Mujrine pa, of Asaquaniano so. To a month for one etimensin in Mohonomoa, HIV AC, a be or one more say, one more found who ain't see, Nemum, one more dear so bequire Sabia, a map who mudinga juma 4 asher warnum sebeya, when who bet to me at a warnum. Then a Casai baby yeno, and will 2 our 4 any at a cheerful in for say, one fat a mebunu and fancy tiemu, no one who yente was or bow who buy, no what true who if free ne yo ya, a more num and yasaya really be a
Because Doctor for say is on the rise. I put him in the map and for say, I don't mean that. Lebanon says simple that until they took youth no phone. Say, Obi or Becosa, you come on so many condom. And I do too for so who over be a woman that just go and take over and you should be protected. Sometimes even the condoms can fail until best threat. Say, by your crowd, we should look at it. Say, walk on by near boy and so and Bassa, it will help us.